Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear and a good deal. Features also include keyless ignition, iPod adapter, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light, trip odometer. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.